Lord Vishnu in this form, he's praying, "Oh Shiva, do something whereby my problems, my difficulties will be overcome." And so, my daily devotees, pray like this. Those sweet words, this melodious voice of this Gandharva, it reached the heavens, Kailash Parvat, my daily devotees. Lord Shiva, listening to such sweet melodious voice, that love of his devotee for him, it was Lord Shiva's desire now. He wants to see that devotee that possesses so much love for him. It is his desire now to see that devotee. That devotee which speaks, which sings such sweet words and praises to him with such love. It was Bhagwan Shiva's intention to see such devotee. My devotees, the question tonight is, what wins the heart of Bhagwan? Tonight we see Bhagwan, he wants to see this devotee of his. Why does he want to see this devotee of his? He wants to see that devotee of his that possesses so much love for him. Tonight, very important question, my dear devotees. What will it take from us to win the heart of Bhagwan? What will it take from us to receive of the blessings of the darshan of Bhagwan? Bhagwan Krishna, he came upon his earth and he wanted to test his devotees' love for him. So, he decided he will walk through this village and he will meet his devotees. He will meet some of his devotees that he has blessed them with so much of, and he will meet some of his devotees which is not so fortunate. And so Bhagwan Krishna, he is walking through this village. So he sees this mahal and he says, I will go now to that devotee of his and let me see the kind of love that devotee has. So he goes to that home and he knocks at the door. And so, as he knocks at the door, the Maharaj of that home, he comes to that door. Duryodhana, he comes to that door, and so he answers. He says, "Oh Bhagwan, how nice it is to see you today. Come into my home and enjoy all that my home has to offer you. I have prepared so many dishes. Come to my home. Come. Sit and partake of these dishes that I have prepared. Oh Lord, and when you are finished eating, then I will carry you in my courtyard and I will show you all the elephants and the horses and so forth that I have." Bhagwan Krishna, he is listening. And he noticed something very special of the request of this devotee. Every time he makes a request of him, he says, "Oh Lord, come and see. I have prepared so much for you. Come. Oh Lord, and when you finish, come and see all that I have." And Bhagwan finds it strange. Everything is on I list and on my list of his. And so Bhagwan, he laughs. He says, "Oh Duryodhana, you are asking me to come into that home and to partake of all the dishes that you have made. But oh Duryodhana, a man will eat on the two accounts. If that person is hungry, he will eat. Oh Duryodhana, and I am not hungry. Oh Duryodhana, but if that request of that individual is made with love and devotion, then I will come and I will eat despite I am not hungry. Oh Duryodhana, I am not hungry. And that request wasn't made with love, oh Duryodhana, so I would not eat." And he leaves that home and he continues on. Duryodhana ko meva tyago sagar vidure daryaye sabse ऊंची प्रेम सिया. He leaves that home and he goes out. And now he reaches that home where there's not even a door to knock on. And he says, you know what? Let me see. Let me go and visit this devotee. And so he goes to that home, no door to knock. But this sage Vidur, realizing the Lord is coming to him, he quickly made his way out. He fell at the feet of Bhagwan, he receives of Bhagwan's blessings. Oh Bhagwan, how blessed I am today to have you in my home. He says, oh Bhagwan, did you not come into my home? My little humble home. Come and sit in my home, bless my home, and the very little that I have made, oh Lord, would you not? Oh Lord, would you not come and partake of this and bless me? The Lord, my dear devotees, listening to the request now of Vidur, the Lord was moved. You see the difference in request, my dear devotees? Look at the request, the difference between Vidur and Vidur. You know what, my dear devotees? That Lord went into that room. That Lord sat on the floor of Vidur. And Vidur, my dear devotees, the only thing he had to offer the Lord was boiled bhaji and vegetables. And he offered that with love to him. The Lord sat there, he ate on that, and of course, he blessed Vidur. सबसे ऊंचे प्रेम से जाए, सबसे ऊंचे प्रेम से जाए, झूठे पल सिमरी के गायो, झूठे पल सिमरी के गायो, बहुत दिखरे सबसे ऊंचे प्रेम से जाए, सबसे ऊंचे प्रेम से जाए।